We are diving into a controversial decision made by the US House of Representatives this past Tuesday. The House voted to impose punitive measures on the International Criminal Court for seeking to charge Israeli leaders with war crimes related to the ongoing conflict in Gaza. The backdrop to this story involves ICC prosecutor Karim Khan, who sought arrest warrants for key figures in this conflict. This includes Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu and Defense Minister Yoav Gallant, along with three top leaders of Hamas. While the court has yet to approve these requests, American lawmakers are making preemptive moves to ensure these charges do not proceed. Speaker of the House Mike Johnson, a Republican from Louisiana, voiced very strong opposition, saying, "The idea that they would issue an arrest warrant for the Prime Minister of Israel, Defense Minister of Israel at the time, where they are fighting for their nation's very existence against the evil of Hamas as a proxy of Iran, is unconscionable. The ICC has to be punished for this action." The proposal, which passed with 247 votes in favor and 155 opposed, highlights the divide in the House. Every Republican and 42 pro-Israel Democrats voted in support, while the rest of President Joe Biden's party voted against it. Their primary concern: the sanctions embedded with the proposal. Sponsored by Texas Republican Chip Roy, the bill seeks to impose travel and financial sanctions against ICC officials. It would grant the US president unilateral authority to lift these sanctions if the court halts its investigations into Americans or their allies or permanently ends investigation into protected individuals. This has raised alarms among some Democrats. Supporters of the bill argue that its passage would send a strong message globally, reaffirming the US's unwavering support for Israel. However, the bill's future is uncertain, as it would require President Biden's approval and support from Senate Democrats to become law.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.